At what point in a design do you begin to create a 3D CAD model? Fusion 360 blurs the line between concept models and fully defined parametric modeling by providing a robust set of features that allow you to explore a concept, add design parameters, introduce associative bodies, edit those bodies with unparalleled ease, and only when ready, begin to create components for documentation, validation, and manufacturing. Of course, Fusion 360 includes parametric history-based modeling, where design can be built by making rules that meet your design intent. To no surprise, a design change made anywhere along the process will reflect everywhere. But Fusion 360 didn't stop with just parametric parts, but it reduced the complexity of parametric assemblies. In early phases of product development, oftentimes the shape hasn't yet been fully defined. Yet, many CAD modelers force the end user to create a part, save that new file, and make a relationship to the part in the greater assembly. That may have a dependency that, through parametric part modeling alone, is difficult to manage. In this example, the geometry of the shape is fairly well defined, but not the individual components just yet. This unstructured modeling technique more closely matches the design process and allows the designers and engineers to spend more time exploring ideas and less time worrying about file management. In contrast to most modeling techniques, we're going to do what's normally the first thing, last. Make the parts. A few right clicks and now the bodies are components, and as a result you have an assembly. Fusion 360 is very flexible with a single modeling environment for parts and assemblies, so you don't have to plan in advance and solve for the entire design before it's fully defined. And remember, all of this is captured parametrically in time, which will make your design more robust when design changes are made.